So this is Grim. He just got the carrier and he loves it a lot. So you know how you have to build it? I was building it and he didn't want me to build it. He wanted to go in and everything. It's very nice. It's really like sturdy, you know, like it won't like fall down if you like squish it. You can zip this part right here to lock them in. You can unzip this part, this whole square. There's blinds for your cat if you don't like, if the kitty doesn't want to eat the cat. There's a pocket up here. There's a Velcro straps that you can stick this on there. There's a pocket. There's a front, which I'm not really sure what this does, but I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, so there's and then there's one of these, and then on the other side, it doesn't have this, but you can open up that again. It's very nice. I rate it 10 out of 10. He really likes it. He likes carriers. He liked my old carrier, but my old carrier was too tiny. So I got him this one. The zippers are a little hard to unzip. That might just be me. Oops, watch the cat. The cat. Oh my goodness. They are a bit fussy, to be honest. But other than that, he really likes it. Rim, what do you rate it? You like it a lot? Oh, he likes it so much he's getting sleepy. Oh my goodness, here it goes. Done?
So we're about to take a 3-hour road trip. I'm very pleased with how they fit in here. They, however, are not. I don't have room in my car for 2 carriers, y'all. I don't. They have to share. And this said it was big enough for 2 adult cats. And yeah, it is. I'm putting this on the Amazon review so other people can see. And one of my cats, Iris, that one there is kind of large, as you can see. The other one's kind of skinny. That does help. So if you have 2 fat cats, I wouldn't get this carrier. But if you have 2 skinny or a fat and a skinny, it works. They just may not like each other for the trip.
The cat carrier is a good size. Actually, here's the cat bed next to the cat carrier, so there's plenty of space, and the front opens, and then you can also move the handles and go in through the top, which is really good. I have a medium-sized cat, and she should fit in here just well. This is really well made. Took a couple of days to straighten out after it being zipped up with the window on the side. Yeah, very well put together. I'm happy with this. Nice and sturdy.
Hey. You give it 2 paws up. Very breathable. You can see through to the other side. Hi, babe. Cypher likes it. And he can sit outside in it.